All right, guys, go ahead and title Dilation Effect on Perimeter and Area. So our vocabulary words are a refresher from previous things that you've done in 7th grade. So we have perimeter. So we're going to do a refresher on what perimeter is. Perimeter is the distance. I don't know why I'm writing. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional figure or shape. Let's say you have a quadrilateral with 4 sides that measure 9, 13 units, 8 units, and 11 units, right? If I ask you for the perimeter, hopefully you would tell me to add all 4 sides. There's 4 sides to it, so we would do 13 plus 11 plus 8 plus 9 and get a total of 41. So the rule simply says to add all the sides, right? Area. Another refresher from 7th grade. Area is space inside. So perimeter was around. Area is space on the inside of a two-dimensional figure or shape. Let's say you had a rectangle with 11 units by 4 units, right? And I want the area. The rule is to multiply according, so you're going to multiply according to the formula for the specific shape. Because we all know that the area formula for a rectangle may be different than the area formula for a triangle. So you use the formula for that particular shape, which is for us with the rectangle, space times height or length times width. So we would do 11 times 4 and get 44 units squared. So we've already talked about dilation. So now we're going to apply those dilations. We're going to apply the dilation to area and perimeter. So to dilate perimeter or area, there are specific rules that we use, and they are tied to what we already know. So here we go. For perimeter, you take whatever the perimeter of that shape is, okay? You're going to multiply it by the scale factor, in which we also talked about, to the first power, because notice perimeter is one-dimensional, even though the shape's two. Perimeter is one-dimensional, so you're going to multiply it to the first power, which is just pretty much perimeter times the scale factor. Then we have area times the scale factor. Area is two-dimensional, so we're going to square the scale factor and then multiply by that. And let's just say we had volume. In case they give you volume on STAR test, okay, scale factor will be cubed in this case. Why? Because volume is three-dimensional. All right, let's do a little practice. So you have a scale factor of 3, and we have a rectangle here with dimensions of 6 and 10. The perimeter, you add up all 4 sides, so 6 plus 6, 10 plus 10 gives us 32 units. Then we have find the area. 6 times 10 is 60. Now I want you to dilate the perimeter and the area, so we need to use our formula. So perimeter, which was 32, So 32 times the scale factor. What is the scale factor? Scale factor is 3 to the first power. 3 to the first power is just 3. So you're doing 3 times 32 equals 96. Then we're going to find and dilate the area, which is 60. So let's use our formula. 60 times the scale factor. What was its scale factor? It was 3. So 60 times 3. And since this is the area, I need to square it. So my question to you is, what is 3 squared? It's 9. So you end up doing 60 times 9 and get a total area of 540 units squared. That is all for the notes, guys.